In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and save effects on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. So first open up your Instagram and hit that plus sign to select a story. Now hit on camera and there swipe all the way to the left to find at the last right position browse effects feature and hit on that. Now effect gallery is opened and there you can look for any effect that you want. You can use that categories for that, like following, reels, Instagram, selfies, camera styles, funny animals, and a bunch of other different categories. And also you can use that search sign to look for a specific filter if you know exactly how it names. And when you find the effect, all you have to do is hit on that effect and there tap on that bookmark icon like that to save that effect. Now you can go back to your camera and there you will be able to find that effects. Maybe you'll need to refresh the app, so let me close camera mode and open it up again. And here now I see that effect at the first position because I saved this effect the last. And basically that's how it works, guys. So hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.